All right, guys, this is the Theme Master at Fitment Fusion. You know how I do, straight to the point. All right, want to get the rails off a 2006 model Tahoe or Escalade, and they look like these right here. This is what you have to do. You need a tool like this. You need a good drill. That's a Milwaukee fuel. That's good stuff. Got a link in my bio for that. You need a 25 Torx. That's the one that looks like a star on the end. All right, and you need a rubber mallet. Rubber mallet like this, okay? These are already off, but this is how you do it. You stick this down the side of it, you bring it down, and you push it through. That should pop the caps off for you, no problem. Same thing in the back. Stick it down the side, stick it down the side, bring it down, push it through, it'll pop the cap off, okay? Under those caps, you're gonna have two screws, one here, one next to the rail. They're 25 Torx, all right? 25 Torx screws. Take those screws out, 1, 2, at the back, 3, 4, all right? Once you got those screws out, you can twist the rail. The rail will twist then, okay? Once the rail twists, that means it's loose. So you can take your mallet now and you can loosen it up off of the peg that holds it back here in the middle. You have to jiggle it back and forth till you find the slot where it comes off. There you go. As you can see, it's a forward backward situation. But once you figure out where that opening is to let that peg out, rail is off. All right, see you next time.